He's less of a secret agent, more of a secret weapon. He's the man activated by Compu-puncture Hyperpower. He's M.A.C.H.1. Created by writer Pat Mills and artist Enio, M.A.C.H.1 debuted in the first issue of 2000 AD back in 1977. A very deliberate cash-in on the $6 Million Man series. John Probe was a secret agent given superhuman strength, speed and stamina by a shady branch of the British government using a computerised form of acupuncture, which essentially involved sticking electrically charged needles into his skin and mapping computer circuits onto his brain. With a computerised buddy in his head, Probe takes care of organised crime, terrorists, spies and other threats to national security. But when he combats extraterrestrials that have taken over a town, he begins to realise someone is pulling his strings. More graphically violent than Steve Austin's TV series. The tone of the strip increasingly darkened until Probe discovered his superior, Dennis Sharp, had engineered the compupuncture treatment to cause his death if he did not receive frequent treatment, meaning he's forced to work for Sharp. Deciding to investigate the M.A.C. project, Probe uncovered the existence of the monstrous M.A.C.H.0, an earlier test subject who had been transformed into a superhumanly strong brute, and Tanya Maskey, an East European M.A.C. agent created after Sharp sold the compupuncture techniques to the Soviets. Everything comes to a head when aliens are provoked into attacking Earth by Sharp, and M.A.C.H.1 may have to make the ultimate sacrifice. In the late 1990s, the strip inspired Blair-1, an unsubtle satire on Tony Blair and New Labour, which gained considerable media attention, but wasn't particularly popular with readers. The file on John Probe may now be closed, but a collection of the M.A.C.H.1 stories is due for release in 2018. Well, thanks for joining us on another 2000 AD ABC Earthlets. Next week, we're going to meet another metalhead, but of a slightly more insane variety. It's Maniac 5.